Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be installing a rear window visor on the Optima, kind of like these side visors that I have, but it's going to go over the top of the back window. As you can see, I've got it sitting there. Before we install it, we're going to clean the area up with just some water and a microfiber cloth, and then we're going to rub the area down with one of these adhesion promoter pads so that we can make sure that the double-sided adhesive sticks really well. So let's go ahead and get all that done, and then we'll get it installed. Alrighty, you guys, and it's just that easy to install these visors. This is the one from the K5 Optima store for the 2016 to 2020, I believe, Kia Optima models. I'll be leaving a link in the description below for it if you want to pick one of these up for your car. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the install or about the visor, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and check out another video on the channel while you're here. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and I hope to see you in my next one.